apples need a variety of pollinators for more production when flowering. One major step to introducing a pollinator into the farm can be through grafting.
You need to have a measurement which is 1 foot tall, like this one is 1 foot. You need to have the rootstock. This is the rootstock, because the grafted area should be 1 feet from the place the rootstock is growing. Okay, so this is a potted rootstock of apple tree, so you need to measure, so it's here. Okay,
it should be noted that your grafting area should be 1 feet from the ground where the rootstock is growing.
When you graft an apple tree like this one, this is a grafted apple tree. The rootstock is M9, the variety is Crips Red. So when you graft this kind of apple, what you need to do is that, because it's still a young plant, you can say it's a very, very young plant. Number one, any shoot coming below the grafted area, you need to remove all of them. It is any shoot coming below them, you need to remove all of them. After removing the shoot, then another thing you need to focus is on removing all these flowers, because if you allow this to start fruiting at this stage, it is going to make the plants have a standard growth and it will not grow to be a big tree. Okay, so you need to remove all this. You can use your hand, but you do it carefully so that you may not injure the buds. So you remove all these flowers, okay, so that the bud or the shoot can concentrate on growing to be a branch and to grow to a central leader. If you don't do this, the plant will have standard growth. You know, see, this kind of tree cannot, it's a very young tree, cannot carry as many fruits as possible, and you want it to be a potential tree to carry as many fruit as possible. So you leave it like this one. So this shoot is the one which is going to concentrate on growing and forming the central leader branch. So this is what you need to do to all grafted plant. Don't be excited when you see flowers at this stage. It's not good for you and it's not good for your tree.
The success rate of grafting can be measured after 21 days because the grafting area starts healing. There are different techniques to grafting, but at J. Kusenga, we encourage a V-shaped curve in between a rootstock for better success rate. The slant cut technique is an option of grafting, but introducing a V shape in between the slant cut would make the success rate better.